Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how having more courage can help you to take your floor cleaning business to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I'm the owner of a company called AGB, otherwise known as Add to Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, whether you're a carpet cleaner, tile cleaner, hardwood floor cleaner, etc., etc. And we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal journey to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses like yours not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. How to beat your competitors by having more courage than them. Basically, I recently saw a post online by a business guru that I follow myself. It really resonated with me and it kind of inspired me to make this video. And that post said, whenever you are afraid to do something, everyone that is doing something that you want to do has just as much fear as you. They just have more courage. So that floor cleaner, that carpet cleaner that's got 5 trucks on the road, that's got loads of team members, that's out in Barbados enjoying the sun, drinking cocktails, got his beautiful wife underneath his arm while his team are going out making money for him and he's just sitting back and chilling. That guy that you look up to and you think to yourself, I wish I could be like that. I wish I had that successful floor cleaning business like he has. Ultimately, like what we're saying here is that that guy has just as much fear as you do, like an anxiety like around his business. The only difference between potentially you and him is that the same time that he has the same fear as you, the difference is that he has more courage than you. And whilst he had this fear, he still had the balls to kind of take the required risks to get him to where he is today. And that's been key to his success. Quite often, being more successful in your business, beating the competition, achieving your goals, living your dreams, isn't about some special business strategy or skill or hack. It's simply about just having more courage to go out there and actually do it. So many of us put things off because we're so scared of failure and rejection. Embrace failure. I love failure because it means you're learning. It's part of the game, part of the process, figuring stuff out. When I started my advertising company specializing in floor care businesses, at the start, like years and years ago, I knew nothing about business. And of course, there was loads of times where I screwed things up or made a mess of things, but I absolutely loved it because I felt like I was learning new stuff and I was working on something towards my future, and it felt great to be learning and learning new stuff. So if you are one of those people that's like a bit on the kind of like nervous, anxious, fearful side and doesn't like to step out of their comfort zone, honestly, like embrace it. It's part of the journey of growing your business. And one of the key things about being really successful in business, it's about taking some calculated risks. Those that do, the people that are prepared to like take that extra step to take those risks are typically those are the ones that win big. For example, let's do like a silly example. Let's say you were thinking about working with us and you were thinking about signing up to our amazing marketing system that literally with this thing that we do, it's purely for the floor cleaning industry, whether you're a carpet cleaner, tile cleaner. We've got digital marketing, advertising for you guys literally figured out. We've got guys making $10, $20, $25,000 a month on repeat with our program, and basically you sign up with us, you don't have to do anything and just the jobs start coming into your inbox. All you have to do is just follow up, get people scheduled in, and like that's it, and we do everything else. You don't have to do a thing. So imagine you were thinking about joining our program to do that, but you had this anxiety, this nervousness, this worry, or what if I pay this money, what if it doesn't work out, like what if I just don't make any money on it, and all of this. And you start to think to yourself, you know what, I'll leave it, I'll stick to my little handful of repeat business customers that I have every month. It pays the bills, it keeps the roof over my head. You know, I don't want to rock the boat. Sometimes like change is like a very scary thing, right? And so people feel very comfortable, like get used to like how things are, and the idea of like having loads more customers or taking that like next step up with the business, it can be terrifying. And so people have that fear and they decide, you know, against taking that step. My advice would be, look, suck it in, have some courage. courage. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work out, but no one's gonna die and your business is still gonna be there in the morning. But if it does work out, and in reference to working with us, it is gonna work out, it could be the best thing that's ever happened to you in your business. It could be that corner that you turn that takes things to that next level, that gives you that financial freedom, that allows you to achieve your goals, ambitions, and dreams, things that you've always wanted in your life. And let me tell you this, when you do go out of your comfort zone and you do try something new, if it does work out, the sense of achievement is immense, and that is hugely rewarding. When you go out of that comfort zone and you actually try something and you push yourself that little bit further and you have the courage to do that, honestly, psychologically, mentally, it's such a rewarding feeling. So this video is for all the people out there right now that are comfortable but have dreams and are scared to take that next step. Have some courage, take that next step. You won't regret it. The only thing you'll regret is being 90 years old wishing that you'd actually had more balls when you were younger. Don't be that person. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to find out more information about how we can work with you on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level with our specialist digital marketing system, head down to the description below where you'll find a link and more information. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.